Well, hi everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski on this Wednesday morning where our winter weather advisory is in effect today. Most of us until midnight tonight. That's for those pink shaded counties. Does not include the Tri-Cities, but does include many counties to the north and west. Just to list some of those off: Nance, Howard, Greeley, Valley, Sherman, Custer County, Dawson County, Lincoln County, Frontier. You got Hayes County, Chase County, Perkins County in the local 4 viewing area, Blaine Loop, Rock, Brown County, Holt County, Wheeler, Garfield County, Boone County, Antelope County. Those are the counties in the local 4 viewing area. Of course, there are other counties that I didn't list off that are outside of our viewing area, and I know a few of you do watch that aren't in our viewing area, especially up in northeast Nebraska. But again, these are the areas where I am expecting the higher amounts of snow out of this event today. Now, as of the time I'm recording this, shortly after 7 o'clock in the morning, we've already had reports of anywhere from 1 to 4 inches of snow for north central Nebraska, including around the O'Neill area. So that's what we've already gotten, and more is expected to fall as a band of snow is kind of developing up north. Now, one thing that this doesn't show is there is some very light snow falling in southwest Nebraska around McCook, North Platte, but the bulk of the snow so far has been in the Sandhills and then into north central and northeast portions of Nebraska. This will kind of stay in those areas this morning. That's where the heaviest snows are going to be today, and then slowly start to drift to the south and southeast later on today. So snow chances will eventually pick up late this morning into this afternoon in the Tri-Cities area. Although as this happens, I think some of the snow will diminish or lighten up a bit, so I expect the totals to be lower the farther southeast you go. Things will start to wind down later on today up towards the north, and then this evening winding down from north to south for the rest of us. By midnight, most of us done. If we see any snow left by midnight, it would be in the southern and southeastern parts of the local 4 viewing area. Skies gradually clearing up later on tonight. The winds will die down after a breezy day and evening, and with the lighter winds and the clear skies, cold night ahead of us here. Arctic air moving in. Tomorrow, still kind of a chilly day. The sunshine's sticking around, and the winds shouldn't be terribly strong forward tomorrow out of the southwest. So it should be an okay day. A little colder for some, especially those that get the heavier snows on the ground. So how much snow are we talking? Well, this is one particular model, probably the one I agree with closest, although there is a chance that we could see some higher totals than what this is showing. Now, I think 1 to 3 inches will be pretty common for those northern and northwestern areas, but I would not be surprised to see more or a little more snow in some spots. 4, 5 inches of snow not out of the question for places like Albion and O'Neill and Ord and Broken Bow and North Platte, those locations. Tri-Cities, I would put it at anywhere from a ½ inch of snow at the lower end to maybe as much as an inch, inch and a half of snowfall, at most 2 inches. I don't think we'll see heavy snowfall, but again, ½ inch to 1.5 inches. I think that's kind of your more common amounts that we'll see around the Tri-Cities area. A little bit lower off towards the southeast, an inch or less for the most part. As for highs for today, struggling. Teens up north, 20s, some 30s down to the south and southeast. Not a real nice day for most of us today. Tonight, then, very cold conditions as that Arctic air moves in. Single digits for the majority, maybe a few low teens for overnight lows. Now, we do get some recovery tomorrow. Southwest winds increase a little bit. Lots of sunshine. Lots of 30s for highs. I think that'll be pretty common. Wouldn't be surprised if that swath that gets the snowfall on the ground here maybe ends up being a little colder. So places like Albion, Ord, Broken Bow, North Platte, I think those temperatures might actually be a little too high, and it might end up being colder than that just because of the snow on the ground. Heading into tomorrow night, not nearly as cold for Thursday night, Friday morning in the upper teens and lower to mid-20s, and then a nicer day for your Friday. Warming well into the 40s for your Friday, maybe some 50s out there. It will be a bit on the breezy side. Those winds could get over 20 miles per hour, but should be a fairly sunny day for your Friday. So summing up those 3 days right here in the Tri-Cities 3-day forecast. 20s today, chance of snow, especially this afternoon and this evening. Cold tonight as skies clear up. Lots of sun the next couple of days. 30s tomorrow, 40s. Well into the 40s on Friday. Bit of a quite breezy day there on Friday. Saturday looks to be the best day. I have bumped up that forecast high for Saturday, going with mid to upper 50s now. Lots of sunshine. Looks very nice. Sunday, we are going to see some more clouds. I threw in a slight chance of rain still for the Tri-Cities. I still do think the better chance will be south and southeast of the Tri-Cities, especially for a few folks that live in northern Kansas. You have a pretty decent chance of rain, in fact. Southeast Nebraska, could see a little bit of rain, but the Tri-Cities right on the edge of it, so it'll be a close chance there. A little cooler with the extra clouds. Could be a little bit brisk as well with those winds. I think we'll see a dry day for the most part on Monday, still in the 40s. Then it gets colder and a chance of snow returns on Tuesday. As for that chance right now, forecast models leaning towards a lower end, not a lower end chance, but a lighter snow event, and not a major snow event. Not saying that we can't still get a pretty decent snow out of the system here, but like I said, I think we're seeing trends towards lighter snow and not as much moisture content available for this chance of snow, but it still could be a decent chance, but it will be colder again as we get towards Thursday. So kind of an up and down forecast, going from below average the next couple of days to above average for late week into early next week, and then cooling back down for the middle of next week here. So a bit of an up and down forecast, very progressive forecast as we call it, because we see fluctuations from day to day with our temperatures, which usually means we don't see steady temperatures every single day, and it also means we don't see storm systems stick around a long time. It usually means we see quick moving storm systems that affect us for a day and then they're gone. That's what you usually mean by a progressive storm system here, or weather pattern, I should say here. So with that, going to let you all go. Thanks for watching on this Thursday, or on Wednesday. Ooh, I'm jumping ahead today. Thanks for watching on this Wednesday. We'll talk to you again on Thursday. Until then, take care. Stay safe out there on the roads today. A little bit slick in spots. Take care, and God bless. Bye.